A direct deposit that fails or gets rejected is an emergency. Here's how to diagnose and fix it quickly in ADP. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. First, check the payroll transmission status in ADP. It will tell you if the file was accepted or rejected by the bank. A common rejection reason is an invalid account or routing number. If rejected, you must cancel the direct deposit for that employee in that payroll and issue a live check or manual bank transfer immediately. Then, correct the banking information in their profile for the next pay cycle. My crucial pro tip: have a rapid response checklist. Create a simple document. 1. Check ADP status. 2. Notify employee and HR. 3. Issue manual payment. 4. Get verified banking info. 5. Update ADP. This turns a panic situation into a calm, step-by-step procedure. Handle payment errors with speed and professionalism. What's your backup plan when a direct deposit fails on payday? For more crisis management guides, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.